Yep.
Yep.
Wind's virtually right across at the minute.
Straight out there. Armed.
Right. Just try power check. Yep. All good.
Alright, mid rates. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, looking good.
I'm off the strip.
Thanks, Mike. Bumpy.
Yeah. Okay. Go for it.
I'm not going to do reversals because I'm
No.
pulling out high and then doing a
Yeah.
roll.
Yeah.
It's hard to get it exact.
Yeah. Long way out, Dawn.
No,
Yeah, you are.
Come back.
It's alright. Oh, I see. Yeah.
Yeah.
Coming in hot.
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
123 max.
Okay. Right. Turn a bit earlier this time down there. Probably about now.
Near the tree line and going for the
That's it.
turn now.
Perfect.
That was so much easier on the launch.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Good.
really
Good.
quite simple.
Yeah.
I mean, the stabilisation's not on, it's manual,
No. It only dropped a fraction.
and it's being bumped around quite a bit, but
Yeah.
Oh, it's really blowing.
one more.
Right. That's good.
Get glare off the sun with you.
No. Don't get any of that.
Okay, the wind is still the same, virtually across, but still best to come from the same end.
Come from this way.
Yeah, exactly, that's the landing. Yeah.
Hard to judge the speed, so
Sure.
shout.
Oh yeah, I'll keep watching. If I think you're too hot, I'll say go round. That's looking good actually. That's looking good. It's looking good. A little bit of left. Oh, alright, go around. That would have been alright, Dom, I think.
That felt
A little
fast.
bit fast. No, you're not. No, that's it. Right, bring her around again.
Lower this one.
Yeah, that's better. That's looking
Drag
good.
on the blocks.
Yeah, looking good. Yeah, that's good. It's good. Perfect.
Wow.
Excellent. Lovely, though.
That's the best landing you've done.
Yeah, excellent.
That's so cool.
Yeah,
Right, Dom, how does it feel? I've got the camera on you now.
that was really good. Not as fast as our test flight, 123 miles an hour. Just disarm quickly. But really good. Actually, it felt so much easier to fly it FPV than flying it line of sight. Just as soon as it went away, it was absolutely fine. So FPV, definitely the way to do it from the start next time, Nick.
There we go then.
Don't bother with all this line of sight test flying, just do it FPV. Because it just went out like an arrow.
Yeah, and I mean the landing was absolutely dialed.
Yeah.
Best landing we've had.
Yeah, as long as you've got someone spotting for you and saying that way, slow it down,
Yeah.
go around, then
Yeah.
can't go wrong really.
That's good.
Bring it in, Adrian.
Yeah.
So this is a brilliant design, Interceptor, Who's the chappie who makes it?
Stunt double.
Stunt Double, and just a few quid to print for the PLA cost, and then you put your FPV gear and your receiver and servos on it and the speed controller. Brilliant. Thanks very much, Nick. We'll be back, and what we're going to do for the next one? 6S. Yeah, because that was not fast enough, clearly. All right, thanks very much. Cheers, Nick.
Cheers.
Thanks, Adrian, for the launch.
No trouble.